So this is the wolf that we're printing, and wait till I get in closer and you see all, look at all, I can't wait to see how this lights up once the print's done, because it's done in Galaxy Glitter. It's called, what's it called? It is the blurry lettering. It is the Laser Palette Galaxy Black. And I can't wait to see how that turns out. I just want my other machine running. 19 and a half hours later, we are completed with the wolf. The glitter really shows up. Sandra says it looks like stars, which is what I was shooting for. So we're going to start the base tonight. I still have to program that in, get the colors set the way I want, and clean this off, pick all the supports, and that'll be coming up next. And there's a better look at some of the glitter and how it pops off. Color's crazy. Alright, so the wolf has been picked clean. You should be able to see the glitter. That is the Galaxy glitter on the solid black. And we are working on the tower and the rock, the display tower and the rock now. And we will show you guys what it looks like when it's completed. Definitely loving the way that the yousu turned out. The yousu is the filament. Terry decided he wanted to go with the solid white base, and then we are just waiting for the rock to clear the level here, because there will be a couple of these that actually have to be like topped off, and then the rock will be up maybe an eighth of an inch, and then we're switching it over to the sand colored stone, and we'll have that for you guys here in a little bit. We are halfway through 13-hour print. Terry's white base is done. That was 13 hours. We are now working on the remaining portion of the rock. No, I'm sorry, that was not 13 hours. Man, I have to go back and correct myself. I'll follow up and give you the right time once I go back and remember it. But now we have 9 hours and 45 minutes left, and that will be the second portion of the rock. You see that file says 43%. We just did our color change. We went from white, hang on a second. We went from a nice bright white over to the bone white. Stone is going to be bone white, and then it'll be the Galaxy wolf mounted on the stone itself. Okay, so the wolf was 13 hours. We are 6 hours, about 6.5 hours. It actually says we're 7.5 hours in, which means that the time on the program's slightly off. But the bottom is done. That was 7.5 hours. Total print time is supposed to be 13 hours, 24 minutes. That says we have 9.5 hours left. And that's typically pretty accurate within just a couple minutes, 5 or 10 minutes, give or take. So we will check back in after the rock is done. And the Galaxy wolf is done. We used the silk white filament, followed by bone white PLA plus, and then moved up to the Galaxy This is the I believe it's the Laser Galaxy, but this is the yousu, and it printed really nice. Love the way that showed up. Details. Picked perfectly clean. And it is complete and ready for pickup.